Today's episode of Random Idea. Welcome back to our channel. Before we begin, please show your support by subscribing, if you haven't already, and ringing the bell so you won't miss out on any of our interesting videos in the future. From automobiles to space travel, Elon Musk has dipped in his hands in some of the most exciting industries, and now he is ready to take on a new challenge dominating the phone industry. Tesla is preparing to release its own take on the modern smartphone, and people are already clamoring to get their hands on it. But what is the Python all about? Can it tackle the giants like Samsung and Apple? Let's find out. Stepping into the phone industry with Elon Musk at the helm, Tesla has had success releasing interesting and unexpected products in the market, and the Tesla Python isn't going to be any different. As always, Musk's business strategy is to combine business acumen, uniqueness, and innovation to create a standout product that will fulfill a market hole nobody's paying attention to. The development of the new smartphone will leverage Tesla's expertise in technology, SpaceX's satellite system, and even Neuralink technology that is still in development to give you a smartphone that is more capable than anything on the market. Tesla is still keeping news about its phone under lock and key, but we were able to get some key details. The dimension of the Python will be 156.8 by 72.1 by 7.6, and it is expected to weigh around 202 grams. The 6.7-inch panels of the phone were made using an OLED panel with a 1284 by 2778 pixel screen resolution. It will also have a 458 ppi pixel density and a 120 Hz refresh rate. For the exterior design, the Python will come with an oleophobic coating, and a scratch-resistant glass is added for protection at the back of the phone. The iconic T logo for Tesla is evident, and all three of the triple-back cameras have a resolution of 50 MP each. The rear cameras also include features like dual LED, dual tone flash, dual pixel DAF, ProRes HDR in cinematic mode. There will also be a single camera in front with up to 40 MP. Musk's Python supports GPS and Bluetooth version 5.2 and will come with 5G internet service. Seeing new phones with 5G isn't exactly shocking, but what makes it a standout feature in the Pi phone is the use of SpaceX's Starlink system. Unlike other services that make use of Earth-based telecommunications, Tesla phone will have built-in functionality to surf the web easily and enjoy high-speed, low-latency broadband internet in several markets by using low-orbiting Starlink satellites. The phone enables seamless video calling, online gaming, and streaming. It will also have standard components like 512 GB to 1 TB of storage, space, 8 to 16 GB of RAM, and an AMOLED display. As one would expect, the Pi phone is expected to integrate with Tesla's EVS. It will allow users to perform different functions all from their phone. Tesla already has an app for iPhone and Android users that allows them to control their vehicles with the app. They can lock and unlock their cars,